Textbook, second class textbook, semester 1, page number 75. Now, points to remember. You must remember these points. See here, 1 tens is equal to 100. 1 tens is equal to 100. A 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. A 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. Next point, arranged from biggest to smallest number is called descending order. Descending order. Biggest numbers to smaller number is called descending order. Decreasing order. Now arrangement from smaller to biggest is called the increasing number. Smallest to biggest is called increasing number. Arranged from the biggest to smaller is called decreasing number. Next, smallest to biggest number is called increasing number. The number which cannot be put into the pair are called odd number, and the number which cannot be put into pair are called even number. You have this one, read in this, no? All of you do this in ascending order, descending order, even number, odd number, biggest number. You have done, no? In your classworks and homework, this one only is the remaining points. You must remember remain these points. Now, exercise this one. Multiply choice the questions. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. The number from 127 is the which number? 129. Now 127, 137, 199, 127. 127. Take this one. Now the place value of 8 is 8 in 186. The place value of 8 in 186. What is the place value? This 6 is 1's place, 8 is 10's place, 1 is 100 place. Now 8 which value? 10's place. Now tick 80. 8080. Next one, page number 76. Now page number 76. The place value of 7 in 137 is, what is the place value? This one 7 is ones, 3 is tens, 100 is ones. Now which one is the 37 or 70 or 7 or 137? 7 in ones place. So 7. This one, third one. You must tick this one. 100 plus 80 plus 2 is equal to how much? 182. 182. Tick this one. Which one of the following is an odd number? Which one? 38, 132, 95, 80. 95 is the 5 is there, no? This one is odd number. Filling the blanks. This one is 100. This one is 100. This block is 100. 100, 110, 100. See here, filling the blanks. This full block is 100. 100, 100 and this one is 10. 110, 120, 130. This one is 1. 131. You must write here 131. Ones 1 place, tens 3, 101, 131. Now 120, second one, 124. In which place is there? See here. 124 is in which place? This one 4 is ones place. Right here ones place. Second 2 is in tens place. 2. 1 is in 100 place. 124 is equal to 120 plus 4 is equal to 124. Now 100 plus 15 is equal to 115. 100 plus 15 is equal to 115. Write the numbers name. 191. Right here. 191. 191. See here. Next bit. What is the place value of the 2 in the following? What is the place value of the 2 in the following? This one write in your classwork, ma. I will give you. See here. Page number 76. Page number 76. Textbook page number 76. See it. What is the following the following. First one 126, second one 147, third one 128, fourth one 284. 284. See. What is the place value of the two? First one, what is the place value of the two? This one is ones, tens, hundred. In which place is there? Tens place, no? Two. Which place value two? You must find the two in which place value. This one is ones, this one is tens, this one is hundred. Now which one is this one is into tens, no? The two is place value of tens. Which one? Tens. Next, see here. Ones, tens, hundred. Now this one is which one? Ones. 4, 1. 142. This one is 2 in ones place. 4 in tens place. One is 100. 100 place. Now which place value 2 you must follow. Now right here 2 is place value of ones. Next one. Ones, tens, 100. Ones in 8 place. Tens in 2 place. 100 is 128. See in which place value 2 is in tens, no? 2 is place value of tens. Next one. This one ones, tens, 100. 2 is in which place value? Ones in 4, tens in 8, 200 in 2, 284. Now 2 is in place value of 100. 2 is place value of 100. Writing a class notes, filling the missing numbers. Here 139 is there, no? Backward numbers. 139 after 138, 137, 136. Next 140, 141. Second one. 152 is there, no? You must fill this one. Backward numbers. 151, 150. Next year. 153, 154. Now arrange the following numbers in increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order means smaller number to bigger number. Increasing number is smaller number to big number. Decreasing is bigger number to smaller. Bigger number to smaller. From this number you must from this number, smallest number from this line. From this line you must count the number from smaller number to bigger number. First here write 100. See here 148, 182, 198, 184. Which one is smaller number? 148. After this one I will give in your classwork. Write down in your classwork. Class 2nd children. Subject maths. Now open your textbook, page number 76, semester 1. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order, decreasing order. Increasing order means increasing order, smaller number to smallest number to biggest number. Decreasing, biggest to smaller number. Biggest to smaller number. From this number you must find the increasing order and decreasing order. increasing smallest to bigger number. Smallest to bigger number. See here, from this number, which one is smallest number? 148. Write down here 148. Next, 182. 198 is the bigger number or smallest of this one is there, no? 189 and 198. Next, 157, 126, 160, 176. Which one is smallest number? 126. Next, which one? 157 and 160, 176. See, biggest, smaller number to biggest number. Smaller number to biggest number. Increasing order. Now which one? 150, 122, 199, 105. 105 is smallest number. Next, 122. Next, 150, 199. Now decreasing order. Decreasing order, biggest number to smallest number. From this number, biggest number is 198. 198 over the next 190, 189, 189. Next one, 182. Next one, 148. From this number, which one is biggest number? 157, 126, 160, 176. 176. Next one, 160. Next one, 157, 126. Biggest number to smallest number. Decreasing order. Now this number 150, 122, 199, 105. Decreasing order. No, biggest number to smallest number. Which one is biggest number? 199. Next, 150. Next one, 122. Next one, 105. Stop. Chapter 3 ma addition of the smallest number. This one is simple addition. 4 plus 2 is equal to, this one is plus sign. Addition means to common two or more numbers. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. It is read as 4 added to 6. 4 added to 2 is 6. It is read as 4 added to 2 is 6, or 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 and 2 are addeds and 6 is the sum. See here for example, 4 plus 2 addend. This one is sum. This one is addend. This one is plus sign. Sum is 7. See exercise 3.1. Filling the blanks and boxes. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Which one is added? 6. 6 is added and 9 is added. Sum is 15. Right here 6 and 6 is added and 9 is added. 6 is added to 9. What is the sum? 15. What sum? 15. Now 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Which is added? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now see here, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 6 and 7 is added, then sum is 13. 6, 7 is added, sum is 13. Now 4 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 12. Which one is added? 4 plus 2 plus 6. This one is sum. 4, 2, 6. Now sum is 12. Now 3 plus 5 plus 6. This one is added. This is sum. Sum means answer. 3, 5, 6 is added and sum is 40. Write down in your textbook, ma. Third chapter, addition of the smaller number. Text